हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है न्यूमोनाइटिस। तो आज हम न्यूमोनाइटिस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो न्यूमोनाइटिस इज ए जनरल टर्म दैट रेफर टू द इन्फ्लामेशन ऑफ लंग टिश्यू. These conditions occur when a irritating substance is introduced into the lungs and causing tiny air sac in lungs to become inflamed and cause breathing difficulty. For accurate clinical documentation of this lungs condition, physician can benefit from the service of medical billing of sourcing companies. Causes of pneumonitis may include radiation treatment, drug and antibiotic, mold and bacteria, exposure to birds and bird feather या excrement. Next is the common sign and symptom of pneumonitis. In this, fatigue, loss of appetite are involved, unintentional weight loss, a burning sensation in chest, fever, and tiredness are involved. These initial symptoms may last for as little as 12 hours or even several days in some individuals. Next is the diagnosis of pneumonitis. Accurate diagnosis of pneumonitis is difficult as the symptoms are similar to that of other lung disorder. One or more of following tests may be conducted to distinguish these disorders, like blood test to elevate the level of white blood cells in the body. Next is the diagnostic imaging test such as chest X-ray and computerized tomography to check for fluid or inflammation in the lungs. Next is the pulmonary functions test such as spirometry, bronchoscopy, surgical lung biopsy, and oximetry. These are diagnostic tests which are used for diagnosis of pneumonitis. Because pneumonitis is difficult to diagnose, so these are involved for diagnosis. These codes to document pneumonitis. In this, hypersensitivity pneumonitis due to organic dust like farmer lung, bagasosis, bird fencer's lung, seborrhosis, malt worker's lung, mushroom worker's lung, marlbark strip's lung, air conditioner or humidifier lung, hypersensitivity pneumonitis due to other organic dust, and hypersensitive pneumonitis due to unspecific organic dust. Next is the respiratory conditions due to inhalation of chemical, gases, fumes, and vapors. In this, bronchitis and pneumonitis due to chemical, gas, fume and vapors, pulmonary edema due to chemical, gas, fume and vapors, upper respiratory inflammation due to chemical, gas, fume and vapors not elsewhere classified, and the other acute and subacute respiratory conditions due to chemicals, gases, fume and vapors, and chronic respiratory conditions due to chemicals, gases, fume and vapors. Other respiratory conditions due to chemical, gases, fume and vapors, and unspecified respiratory conditions due to chemical, gas, fume and vapors. Pneumonitis due to solid and liquid. In this, pneumonitis due to inhalation of food and vomit. Pneumonitis due to inhalation of oil and ascension. Pneumonitis due to inhalation of other solid liquid. Prevention of pneumonitis may involve making certain lifestyle change to protect health, such as avoiding chemical irritant and wearing a face mask when dealing with birds, bacteria or mold of any kind as much as possible. Pneumologists can consider partnering with medical billing and coding service providers to manage their pulmonary medical billing and coding tasks.